Practice reading sentences on the farm. Easy Lessons TV, learning made easy. Use the pictures to help you read the sentences. This is a farmer. This is a farmer. This is a goat. This is a goat. This is a duck. This is a duck. This is a dog. This is a dog. This is a horse. This is a horse. This is a fish. This is a fish. This is a pig. This is a pig. This is a chicken. This is a chicken. This is a sheep. This is a sheep. This is a mule. This is a mule. This is a cow. This is a cow. This is a cat. This is a cat. This is a rooster. This is a rooster. This is a tractor. This is a tractor. This is a barn. This is a barn. This is a pond. This is a pond. This is a farm. This is a farm. Easy Lessons TV.